Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain how to connect Domo with Azure Data Lake Gen2 account. So to connect Domo with Azure Data Lake Gen2 account, we need to click on data. Oh, hold on, why it's not? Yeah, we need to go to the data and then we have an option called connect data. So in this, we need to click on connector. Now let's search for Azure Data Lake Gen2. So this is my Gen2 connector. Okay. So here we can see it is asking for account key and account name. To get the account key and account name, we need to go to Azure Data Lake Gen2 account. So first at home, now this is my Azure Data Lake Gen2 account. I clicked here. Okay, so this is the account name. Okay, so we can get account name at multiple places. Inside the access key, here also we have a account name. Let me click this. I just copied the account name, pasted here. Now account key. So here we have a account key. Now click on here and get copied. Just paste here. Okay. Now click on connect. So now we are trying to connect to Azure Data Lake Gen2 from Domo. So after connecting, we will try to get some of the files of Azure Data Lake Gen2 inside Domo. Now click on next. So here we can see in the report we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we have to get the data of file means let me come here, come to the container. So inside this we can see we have a multiple container. If we click on container, we can see we have some files, we have a folder. So inside folder we have some files again. So if we have to get the data of this file, then we have to select download file in report. Now select file system. File system means container. So from which container we want to get the file. So here, if we come here, so these are the container. So now in my case, I am going to use source container. Inside source, I have one more directory called product. So I want to get any of this file. So here I need to select source in file system because file system is also called container. Now directory name. So here we can see inside the source directory is called product. So let's provide product. Okay. Now, how would you like to choose your file? So we have a two option. One is file discovery, another is file name. So when I click on enter file name, then we need to provide a file name. But when I click on file discovery, then we have an option to select the file. Hold on, what's the wrong? Directory name may be wrong. 1 minute. Product. Okay. Now let's wait for till it loads. Now we can see we have a list of file. Here we have a 4 file. If we come to the Gen2 account, here also we have a 4 file. Now let's select dim product. Okay. Okay, so here we have an option called delimiter, date format, how we want. Here we have a month, date, day, year, code character, escape character. Okay, so now I don't want to change anything. Okay, as we know, in the CSV file we have a default delimiter, comma. Let's go with this. Then if we get any problem, then we can work on this delimiter part. And I know we are going to get some problem because as I said, in CSV we have most of the CSV file we have a delimiter, comma, but in this we have a different delimiter. So let's see the impact. Don't want to schedule, and this scheduling part I already explained in my previous videos, like connect with Google Sheet or connect with Domo Workbench. Click on next, give the name dim product. So it's importing now. Imported, we can see 771 rows. Now let's see the data. So here we can, let's ignore this two column and we can see all the columns got merged into one column, and all data also got merged into one column. Okay, so the root cause of this, let's come here. Okay, and I have downloaded this product, dim product.csv data. So we can right click and see the preview of data, but here we cannot see because uh, data size is 8.6 MB. We can only see the preview in data lake gen2 account if its size less than equal to 2.1 MB. Now I have already downloaded. Let me right click, open. I just want to open with notepad. Here, if we see the data, we can say this is tab separated, not comma separated. Okay. So now come here, click, go to the setting, click on details. In delimiter, remove comma, go with tab. Okay. Now let's save again. Now let's run history. So it's completed few seconds ago. Okay. Now let's come to the data. Now we can see we have a multiple columns because we use our tab or delimited. Okay. So based on the input data source, we have to select a delimiter in the setting. Okay. In the details, we have an option for our delimiter. Here we need to select carefully. Okay. So if we have a even we have some escape character, we have a code character, we have a date format or cast column to string data type. So if I hover here, we can see please enter a comma separated list of fields that need to be treated as a string in Domo. So if we want some field or column should convert it into a string, then we can provide the list of column here. Okay, so this is all about how to connect Domo with Azure Data Lake Gen2 account. Thank you.